to me, makes me breathing deep. Just another wonderful dancing here. I am not a queen, you are not a king. Just another wonderful dancing that's falling down to me, makes me breathing deep. Just another wonderful dancing here. I am not a queen, you are not a king. Just another wonderful dancing.
Knockout.
Yeah.
Ray J.
LA stand up.
Yeah.
The Lake Show.
West Coast.
Yeah.
We gon' party till the early morn. When the Lakers bring the trophy home. We got that California purple gold. And them Laker haters, cause we down with the greatest. We gon' party till the early morn. When the Lakers bring the trophy home.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got Ice Cube in the house tonight.
California purple gold.
And I go by the name of DJ Felly Fell.
Cleveland or Boston, Cleveland or Boston. Glad we playing Boston, put they ass in the coffin. Watch Kobe Bryant off them in the finals so often. Always on fire, keep them choking and coughing. Off that California purple, off that California purple. Off that California purple. Off that California purple. Off that California purple.
Los Angeles, DJ Felly Fell. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you my homie, Snoop Doggy Dogg. You know we had to do the G.
I can't stand Boston, I hate him since the 80s. Ask Jack Nicholson, he'll tell you who the greatest. Fish and chips, let it drip. Triangles to flip the script. Andrew Bynum on the tip. LA, we loving it. Quick burn, Chick Hearn, rest in peace. The best from the west, smash on the east. Celtics, whatever, dawg. LA Lake Show will never fall. Quote me, vote me, Kobe. We'll be kissing the championship trophy. Now that's 5 rings and 5 things. In LA Lope, it's only 5 kings. And I'm one of them, son of a bad mother. My brother from another mother fella. We reppin' LA, nothing that you can tell me. Down like Nelly. We are the Lake Show, you hear me?
Party till the early morn. When the Lakers bring the trophy home. Off that California purple gold. And them Laker haters, cause we down with the greatest. We gon' party till the early morn. When the Lakers bring the trophy home. Off that California purple gold. And them Laker haters, cause
Puerto
we
Rican
down with the greatest.
superhero. The Lakers are magnificent, critics better admit it. We win and shoot and pivot with less than a second left and it swishes. Don't test us, you know how vicious our test is. Leaving the Celtics crying like LeBron when the Magic gave them that ass whipping. Lake Show, you know we down for the kill. Score numbers greater than gallons lost in that BP oil spill. Paul's pride gets pierced by the king of the kings. Rondo's obsessed like Schmeagol with the Lord of the Rings. His name is Kobe.
Roscoe Molly, I rep it for the Lakers, the all-time greatest. Can't nobody fade us. I do it for the jerseys that be hanging from the staples. Jabbar West, Magic, Worthy, Chamberlain, and Baylor. Fisher, Powell, and Bynum got championship rings with diamonds, while the homie Ron Artesta run the defensive assignments. The bench mob and Odom, the Black Mamba Kobe. We parade on Figueroa with the championship trophy.
They gon' party till the early morn. When the Lakers bring the trophy home. Off that California purple gold. And them Laker haters, cause we down with the greatest. We gon' party till the early morn. When the Lakers bring the trophy home. Off that California purple gold. And them Laker haters, cause we down with the greatest.
We the best is out. How you ain't a fan by now, bruh? I think it's over their head like a Shannon Brown done. Anybody stepping up, we getting rid of them lames. Think LeBron need Verizon, he ain't getting the ring. Player laid, then it's over for sure. Tell them Boston Leprechauns that them clovers don't work. The Lakers with another championship. That's why we got D. Fisher, keep on reeling them in.
It's gonna be down. Lakers in the motherfucking house right now. Y'all need to stop running your mouth. We gon' celebrate and pop bottles right now. You ain't gon' top.
Okay, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin'. Them fouls you can't be callin', what you in there?